Welcome back to another video. We got a gorgeous day here in Pennsylvania. The leaves are really starting to change. Got some leaves coming down the stream, sitting on the bottom. Trees are just bright red, bright orange. It's just a gorgeous day today. We got a lot of overcast today, so we're going to work up this smaller body of water here and see what happens. Alright guys, we're walking up to the first hole and it looks perfect. I've never fished this stretch before, so we're going to be fishing it together for the first time, and this spot looks beautiful. It looks like it's got to hold a couple fish, so let's get up here and start fishing. Oh, there's a fish. Nice rainbow. Beautiful looking fish. Wow. Alright guys, check this fish out. It's like the stripe on him is like purple. It's beautiful looking. I don't know if it'll pick it up or not, but that's an awesome looking fish. Great way to start. Didn't take too long to get into a fish here. So we're going to just keep working this run and see what happens. Alright, we're going to go down, around, come back up, and fish this from the other side. Probably stay real low. There's a lot of water here. It's got to hold more than one fish. So we're going to come try it from a different angle, maybe a couple different drifts. So we'll try that. There's a fish. Another nice rainbow. I was trying to get him out of the net to show you guys, and he just flopped out of my hand, swam back in. So see if we can get another one to show you. Alright guys, we just walked up a ways up the stream here, and we just found a beautiful looking hole. A lot of current going through it. It's very deep, and it looks really good. And check out, show them the leaves here. Look at the color of those trees. It's just gorgeous day out. Got a gorgeous looking fishing spot here, and looks like we're gonna get some fish out of here. Looks really, really, really good. There's one. Oh, that's a big fish. That's a big fish. That's a really big fish. Holy crap, that's a good fish. Stay away from this tree. I was not expecting that. Oh my God. Oh. This is a really good fish. Stay away from that tree. There's a huge tree down right here. Oh, it's a giant brown. Not a giant, but very big brown. Got him! Oh my God, yes! This guy out. First fish out of this hole up here. Just an awesome brown. Oh my God. How awesome is that? Alright guys, let's get him back in the water. Off he goes. Oh, how awesome is that? First fish we catch out of this deep hole. There's a fish. Really subtle bite, and it's a good rainbow. Oh, get out of there. What a great fish. Oh my God, it's underneath that tree. It's rubbing me against the tree down there. Oh, he came back out. Sweet. Oh man, that's a good fish. Check him out. What an awesome fish. Send this guy on home. There's one. Nice looking rainbow. Really good looking fish. Real healthy, beautiful rainbow. Put up a great fight. Off he goes. There's a fish. Is that a smallmouth? Yeah, it is. I thought it felt a little different. Little smallmouth there. Alright guys, that's going to be it for today. Tomorrow I'll be going back out, I'll be meeting up with my buddy. So I'll see you guys then. So we're starting off today at a spot that I just recently fished in another video. And the leaves are changing, it's getting beautiful out here. We got some fall foliage coming into play. Getting some nice orange colors out here, it's just gorgeous. I'm out today with my buddy Cody, he's on the camera right now. And water's looking great, so we're going to go get fishing and see what happens. Yeah. There's one. Barely grabbed it. Such a soft take. Feels like a pretty good fish. Oh my God, beautiful fish, dude. Beautiful fish. Beautiful brown. Dude, it's got some crazy colors on it. I'm gonna drop down a little bit. Got him. Awesome, dude. Awesome. Alright guys, check this fish out. Beautiful brown. What an awesome fish. Alright guys, besides that one brown, not much going on, so we're going to go do a little walking around and see what we can find. Alright guys, we're at the new spot here, and I'm going to start off low. It's really clear and pretty slow right here, so they could definitely see me. I'm going to start off low, fish around a little bit, then I'll stand up and just keep on fishing like normal, but just to start off here, I'm going to stay down low and see if we can get a couple spooky ones right off the bat. There's one. There we go. Nice brown. Got ya. Beautiful little brown. This guy's a little one. Oh, off he goes. There he is. Got him. That was a hard hit. Nah, it stuck to me. That's a good looking fish. Real nice fish. There's got to be more sitting there. It's so deep right there, right there. It's like this deep. Is this a fish? It is a, oh yeah, it is a fish. That thing smoked it. Then got down in the current. I don't know how big it is, but it feels good. Oh, it's a nice brown. All right, pretty sloppy net job, but we got him in. Nice brown. Send him on home. What's going on, everybody? I just wanted to hop back on here, tell you guys thank you for watching the video all the way through. I'm just about done editing the video now. I'm about to head out and go film another one. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.